Just tell me one more time, because I'm really confused about what you were saying. I just don't get it.
Gaga, you can hear, see, her. No, Gaga.
What?
No.
Look right there. Look what's right there.
Watch. Tickety tock. Talks. Yes.
Where?
Are you looking for a doctor?
Where?
Hospital.
Go. Go.
Watch tickety talks. Yes, hospital.
Oh, so just making sure I'm right. Okay, Claire. I want
Want.
to watch Tickety Talk with episode going
Going
to
to
the
doctor.
right?
Yeah,
I want to watch tickety talk.
I want to watch Tickety Talk
Doctor.
episode going to the doctor. That's good. You told me on here because you know what? I thought you were telling me I need to go to a doctor because of my Band-Aid on my hand. I thought you were saying that I needed to go to the doctor because I had a Band-Aid. But you were saying you wanted to watch Tickety Talk. Thanks for telling me.
You.
Okay.